a foliage relief, we're going to be using cardboard and a bunch of different materials that you can collect from the outdoors. So I have a bunch of twigs here, I have some grass, little reeds and grass, I have some of these propeller seeds from trees, and then I have a few different dried natural flowers and buds that I just broke off the branches of, and this is a good time of year to collect these types of materials because we can use them to make our winter wonderland landscape. So for this project you will need 3 pieces of cardboard, one big one, and then 2 little ones. And I've cut these out to kind of mimic landscapes. So I've got some hills, I've got some valleys, and then I have some mountains here as well. And the idea is that you can take your big cardboard and try and arrange these pieces so that they look like a landscape. So as you can see, it's very easy to create a winter wonderland landscape using materials that are found outside. I was inspired by my walk when I was collecting my materials through the park to create some trees. We have some twigs for bushes. I used some of the grass seed that I found just to add texture to the ground. The leaves that I used are just dried leaves that I used to create a moose with some antlers. And then some of the seeds that I found from the trees I used to create a bird in the sky. So you can make a whole day of your project. I encourage you to go outside and explore nature because you might find some really exciting materials to create art with.